Hello guys, good afternoon on this wonderful Saturday afternoon. This right here is a 2015 Mercedes ML 350 in grey. Car was just released about a couple of minutes ago, and I just got home. I wanted to make sure the doors were open. The four doors were open. Okay. So guys, I'll be taking you guys on a 360-degree walk around on this car. I can actually see some LED stuff going on there on the logo. You can see some LED stuff going on there on the logo. Car looks really nice, really nice, accident free. I can also see some LED going on there, and this car appears to have a 360-degree camera. You can see that there. Okay, so this is a 360-degree view, a walk around on this Mercedes. You can see it is accident free, it is dent free, it is scratch free. Very clean, very nice, very clean, very clean. Let me take you guys to the interior. I believe we must have seen the video of when the car came in, when we took delivery of the car on at our office in New Jersey. It was an 18 or 20, I think an 18 or 22 wheel truck, and you're carrying 6 cars, and the truck was was driven by a lady. Funnily enough, it was driven by a lady. Okay, this is the interior. The journey was supposed to take her about 7 days to move from. I've forgotten where she was coming from, where the truck was coming from, but it took her 2 weeks. She had to just take it slow and steady. Pushing a 22-wheel truck, carrying 6 cars is not an easy feat, but it's something that was done by a lady, and it was fascinating. So guys, this is the interior of the car. You can see how very clean the interior is. This is not a 2-row seat car. You see how the leather looks well maintained, very well maintained, and the AC is chilling. It's chilling very cold. AC is chilling real cold, real cold. So this is I'll continue my story in a bit. Don't mind me, I'll continue my story in a bit. So I would like to show you guys the engine now, so you see how clean the engine bay is. And in my own opinion, this car was very well taken care of. Wait. The car was very well taken care of. Okay. So guys, this is the engine bay. It looks real good, right? It looks real good. Looks very well maintained. Looks very well maintained. Looks very well maintained. Okay, I wanted to see if I would be able to show you guys the odometer, but I don't know. I don't seem to know how to pull it out. Let me reduce this fan speed. So I want to see if I would be able to access the cameras. Let me see if I'll be able to. Okay, 360-degree camera. Yes, sir. You can see it's showing us a bird's eye view of the surrounding of the car, and I can decide to change. So that's the front. These are the sides, the left and the right. Left and the right. That's the back. Yeah, this is the back. Why this side is showing you surrounding of the car. Really nice. This is some really nice stuff. I'm actually in love with the car. The car is so nice and drives very, very well. Has a very good balance and very good acceleration as expected. Come on, it's a Mercedes. It's a Mercedes. Okay, let me open the power boot. So this is the back. I think this is should be like the underneath portion of the under of the car, and this is the foot mats as expected. That's the spare tire, jack, everything intact. No stories here. No stories. So back to my story. I believe Professor Talk and Do would link will send the link of the video. The link of the video will be attached. He would attach the link of that video I was talking about when this car was delivered at New Jersey. Well, it was very surprising that it was a very young lady. Maybe if I'm the speculator age, she could be around probably 26 years, 27, maybe 30, but probably between 25 to 30 years of age. And she was able to cable an 18-wheeler between the 22-wheel truck all the way from wherever she came from. And come on, for the journey to be a 2 weeks journey, imagine traveling 2 weeks. For it to be a 2 weeks journey, no be small thing. Honestly, no be small thing. No be small thing. So let me just do a final walk around video of the car before I sign off. This is another walk around view. This is the interior, as I've showed earlier. These are just this thing. They're just dirt. Not that the chair is peeled. It looks as if the chair was peeled, but it's not peeled. They're just dirt. Okay. So guys, please share our video so we'll have more views. Please share. We'd really appreciate if you share our videos. I see some of our people typing share. Please, we beg you, share. This is the back once again. This is a very, 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 very good buy. It's a very good buy. This is a very good buy. So there you have it. A 2015 Mercedes ML350. Well, I don't know. I'm not really grounded and conversant with Mercedes trims, so I wouldn't know if I would say this is the full option. Simply because it has the 360-degree camera, but I don't know if I would say this is a full option or if Mercedes has full option. But if it was maybe a Lexus or a Toyota, Honda, and things like that, you'd be able to tell easily if I'm going to call it a full option or a base model. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for being a part of this very, very quick one. For those that have done business with us, we really appreciate your business. For those that are yet to do, just if you like this and you would want us to organize something for you like this, just do well to hit us up and We would hook you up immediately, without any waste of time. Once again, this is another one from Demso Auto, courtesy Demso Auto. Thank you all, and I'll be signing out now. Please do not forget to share our video. It's just a click. Thank you. Until the next one. Bye bye.